Hello everyone, this is Sai Sri and welcome to my channel. In our previous video, we have watched exercise 1A first Roman 13 problems. So, in this video, let us solve 2B circles chapter second Roman 7 problems. Let us start the video. Minus b square is equal to 0. Let us say the roots as x1 and x2. Then sum of roots. We know the sum of roots is minus b by a. So we assumed that the roots are x1 and x2. So x1 plus x2 is equal to, we know the sum of roots formula is minus b by a. So minus b by a is minus 2 by, here the coefficient of x square is 1. So 1 minus 2. Minus 2a, and also product of roots x1 into x2 is c by a. So c by a is minus b square. So a is 1, here a is 1, b is 2a, c is minus b square. So product of roots x1 x2 is equal to minus b square. The same condition we have to apply for the second equation. So let the roots of the quadratic equation, we have another quadratic equation also, that is y square plus 2py minus q square is equal to 0. So they given that the roots are ordinates of a and b. So a and b is y1 comma y2. Now here also we have to do sum of roots. Sum of roots is equal to y1 plus y2, that is equal to minus 2p. And product of roots is y1 into y2, that is equal to minus q square. Here c is minus q. So y1 into y2 is minus q square. They given that AB is a diameter. So let us assume that x1 y1 and x2 y2 are the points A and B. So we have to find the equation of the circle with these 2 points, because they are the endpoints of the diameter. So we know the diameter formula is x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equal to 0. Now substitute the values. X into x square minus x1 into x2 x2 minus x1 into x minus x1x minus into minus plus x1 x2. Here also y square y into y2 y1 y2 minus y1 y plus minus into minus plus y1 into y2 is equal to 0. Now x square y square, here taking x common, minus x common, so x1 plus x2, here taking y common, so minus y into y1 plus y2 plus x1 x2 plus y1 y2 is equal to 0. Now x square plus y square minus x, here we know that the sum of roots x1 plus x2 is minus 2a. Now substitute in place of x1 plus x2 substitute minus 2a. So in place of x1 plus x2 I am substituting minus 2a minus y. y1 plus y2 is minus 2p. x1 into x2 is minus b square plus minus q square. So required equation is x square plus y square minus into minus plus 2ax plus minus into minus plus 2py minus b square minus q square is equal to 0. In second Roman we have 2 problems. In that first one is show that point A 3 comma minus 1 lies on the circle. So A lies on the circle I have taken here. And also x square plus y square minus 2x plus 4y is equal to 0 is the given circle. Find the other end of the diameter through A. So they asked us to find the other end. They given that the circle equation is here, and A is 3 comma minus 1 lies on the circle. Lies on the circle means this point satisfy the circle equation. So substitute in circle equation. So 3 square plus minus 1 square minus 2 into 3 plus 2 into minus 1 is equal to 0. 9 plus 1 minus 2 3 is 6 minus 2 is equal to 0. 10 minus 8 is equal to 0. See here we have 4y. So in the given question we have 4y. So 4 minus 10. So 0 equal to 0. So that means this point satisfy the circle equation. So now we can find the center. For center we have to find the 2z and 2f values. So 2z is equal to minus 2. 2f is equal to 4. So from this z is equal to minus 2 by 2. So g equal to minus 1. And f is equal to 4 by 2. So f is equal to 2. We know the center. Center is minus g comma minus f. That is equal to minus g is minus 1. G is minus 1. So comma minus 2. That is equal to 1 comma minus 2 is the center. Now they given one end. Given end A is equal to, here they given 3 comma minus 1. We don't know the other end. So let B be x1 comma y1. Let B be x1 comma y1. Here we know the center as 1 comma minus 2. This is also radius, this is also radius. So we can tell that C is the midpoint of AB. C is the midpoint of AB. So midpoint formula we have to apply here. So AB is the midpoint of C. So that implies x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. So x1 x2. I am taking A and C. Sorry, C and B. Now midpoint of 3 and x. 3 plus x1 by 2 and minus 1 plus y. Minus 1 plus y by 2 is equal to the center is 1 comma minus 2. So that is equal to 1 comma minus 2. Now 3 plus x1 by 2 is equal to 1 minus 1 plus y1 by 2 is equal to minus 2. 3 plus x1 is equal to 2. x1 is equal to 2 minus 3. So x1 is equal to minus 1. Now minus y1 plus y1 is equal to minus 4. y1 is equal to minus 4 plus 1. y1 is equal to minus 3. So B points are minus 1 comma minus 3. In the second question, in second is, this is also same model like 1. Show that A minus 3 comma 0. It is also one of the point on the circle. And they given a circle equation. They asked us to find the other end of the circle, that is B. Let B be x1 comma y1. Now we have to substitute the given point in equation 1. So 3 square 0 square 8 into minus 3 plus 12 into 0 plus 15 is equal to 0. 9 minus 24 0 plus 15 is equal to 0. So this is equal to 0. So this means it satisfies the given equation. So this point lie on the circle. A minus 3 comma 0 lie on the circle. Now we have to find the center. Center, we have to find the G and F values for center. So 8x. Vf is equal to 12. Not x. So G is equal to 8 by 2. F is equal to 12 by 2. So F is equal to 6. And G is equal to 4. You already know the center. Minus G comma minus F. So that is minus 4 comma minus 6. So these are the, this is the center. Center is minus 4 comma minus 6. Let B be x1 comma y1. C is the midpoint of AB. So midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. So AB is midpoint. That implies x1 comma, so for A and B we have to find the midpoint. Minus 3 plus x1 by 2 comma 0 plus y1. 0 plus y1 by 2. So midpoint is center. So that is equal to minus 4 comma minus 6. So from this minus 3 plus x1 by 2 is equal to minus 4. 0 plus y1 by 2 is equal to minus 6. So 3 plus x1 is equal to 4s are minus 8. So y1 is equal to 6 here minus 12. So x1 is equal to minus 8 plus 3. x1 equal to minus 5. And y1 is equal to minus 12. So point B coordinates are minus 5 comma minus 12. In the third question, find the equation of a circle which passes through 2 comma minus 3 and minus 4 comma 5 and having the center on 4x plus 3y plus 1 is equal to 0. So 2 comma minus 3 and 4 comma minus 5. Let A 2 comma minus 3, B minus 4 comma. Third question, find the equation of a circle which passes through 2 comma minus 3 and minus 4 comma 5. So these are the 2 points on the circle. So these two are equal, 4 comma minus 5, and they given a line which is passing through the center. We have two methods to solve the problem. One is first here, in straight lines we have solved this process, and in second method. Let us go to the first method and second method. So in method 1, let us say the center be S, x1 comma y1 be the center of the circle, and the given that the center lies on this line, that is 4x plus 3y plus 1 is equal to 0. That means we can substitute these values. So 4x1 plus 3y1 y1 plus 1 is equal to 0. Let it be equation number 1. If they given if A is 2 comma minus 3 and B minus 4 comma minus 5. So we can take that SA is equal to SB because the radius are equal. Now squaring on both sides. SA square is equal to SB square. So that is equal to x1 minus 2 square plus y1 plus 3 square is equal to x1 minus into minus plus 4 square plus y1 minus 5 square. Now solve this equation so that we get second equation. By solving 1 and 2, we will get the equation of a circle. Now x1 square minus 4x1 plus 4 plus y1 square plus 6y1 plus 9 is equal to x1 square plus 8x1 plus 16 plus y1 square minus 10y1 plus 25 is this y1 minus 5 whole square. Now common terms, x1 square cancel, y1 square cancel. Still what we have? That's it. So minus 4x1 plus 6y1, 9 plus 4 13 is equal to here 8x1 minus 10y1, 25 plus 16 plus 41 is equal to 0. Now sending these terms that side. So 8x1 minus will become plus 4x1 minus 10y1 it will become minus 6y1 plus 41, it will become minus 13 is equal to 0. That is equal to 12x1 minus 16y1 plus 28 is equal to 0. Taking 4 common, 3x1 minus 4y1 plus 7 is equal to 0. So 3x1 minus 4y1 plus 7 is equal to 0 be equation number 2. Solve 1 and 2. So we get the x1 comma y1. Write the equations. 4x1 plus 3y1 plus 1 is equal to 0. In the second equation, 3x1 minus 4y1 plus 7 equal to 0. So in first year, we have learned the crisscross method. So apply it. x1. So this is crisscross method. I have written the coefficients. If you don't know how to do this, please comment in the comment section. So I will make a separate video. So x1 by, we have to find the determinant of these, and determinant of these. 3 into 7 plus 4 into 1 is equal to minus y1 by 4 into 7 minus 3 into 1. That is equal to 1 minus 4 into minus 4, 3 into 3. Now x1 by, here we will get 25, that is equal to minus y1 by 25, which is equal to 1 by minus 25. 25 cancel. So x1 is equal to 1 minus y1 is equal to 1. That means x1 is equal to 1. This is 1. y1 is equal to minus 1. So center is 1 comma minus 1. Now we got the S value. So now we have to find the radius. I am taking point A. You can also take the point B to find the radius. So radius, I have substituted the values. That implies minus 3 square 9 plus 4 square 16, that is equal to minus square root of 25, that is equal to 5. So the equation of the circle with center, we assumed that center is S, so S minus 1 comma 1 and radius 5. We know the formula, x minus h square plus y minus k square is equal to r square. X minus of minus 1, so plus 1 square plus y minus 1 square is equal to 5 square. X square plus 1 plus 2x plus y square plus 1 minus 2y is equal to 25. X square plus y square plus 2x minus 2y, 1 plus 1 2 minus 25 is equal to 0. That is x square plus y square plus 2x minus 2y minus 23 is equal to 0 is the required circle. So we have the same model, the fourth problem. Let us do it with method 2. In the fourth problem, find the equation of a circle. Same model like third problem only. Now I am doing the method 2. The first problem we have solved with method 1. This is the easy, simple. So it is not lengthy but somewhat difficult. So let s equal to x square plus y square plus 2cx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. The given that center is passing through a line 4x plus 3y minus 2y is equal to 0. And they given 2 points which lie on the circle. So A 4 comma 1 lies on s equal to 0. So now we can substitute these values on the circle equation. 4 square plus 1 square plus 2c into 4 plus 2f into 1 plus c equal to 0. 16 plus 1 plus 8g plus 2f plus c is equal to 0. So from this 8g plus 2f plus c is equal to minus 17 is the first equation. B also lie on the circle. So 6 square plus 5 square plus 2z into 6 plus 2f into 5 plus c equal to 0. 36 plus 25 plus 6 to 12z plus 10f plus c is equal to 0. Now 12z plus 10f plus c is equal to 25 plus 36, 61. So minus 61. This is equation number 2. In the also given that the center is lie on this line. So from the circle equation, what is the center? Minus g comma f. So minus g comma f lie on the 4x plus 3y minus 24 is equal to 0. Substitute the values. Minus g plus 3 into minus f minus 24 is equal to 0. That is equal to minus 4g minus 3f minus 24 equal to 0. Let it be third equation. Now we have to solve 1, 2, 3. So these are the three equations. I have converted the third equation by sending 24 this side. First of all, we have to solve 1 and 2. From 1 and 2, we get one equation number 4. And by solving 4 and 3, we get the g and f values. So solve 1 and 2. Is equal to minus 17. So now I am doing 1 minus 2. 12g plus 10f plus c is equal to minus 61. So when we subtract, the plus and minus will change. So plus c and minus c cancel. Here minus 4g minus 8f is equal to 44. Now let it be equation number 4. We have the equation number 3. Equation 3 is minus 4g minus 3f is equal to 24. Now solve 4 and 3. So for this I am doing 4 plus 3. So that is 4g minus 4g minus 8f is equal to 44. Sorry, now we have to subtract so that 4g will cancel. So the signs will change. So they will cancel. Plus 5f is equal to minus 20. So f is equal to minus 20 by 5. That is f is equal to minus 4. So from 3, minus 4g minus 3f is equal to 24. So minus 4g minus 3 into minus 4 is equal to 24. Minus 4g is equal to 24. Minus into minus plus. So minus 3 fourths are 12. Minus 4g is equal to 12. So g is equal to 12 by 4. G is equal to minus 3. And we also have to find the c value. So from 1, 8g plus 2f plus c is equal to minus 17. 8 into g is minus 3 plus 2 into minus 4 plus c is equal to minus 17. Minus 24 minus 8 plus c is equal to minus 17. So c is equal to minus 17 plus 24 plus 8, 32. That is equal to 15. Now we have g value is minus 3, f value is minus 4, c value is 15. So from this we can find the circle equation. Required circle x square plus y square plus 2zx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Now substitute the values. X square plus y square plus 2g is minus 3x plus 2 into minus 4y plus 15 equal to 0. So the equation is x square plus y square minus 6x minus 8y plus 15 equal to 0 is the required circle. Find the equation of a circle. Fifth question is passing through minus 2 comma. Fifth question is find the equation of a circle which is concentric with x square plus y square minus 6y minus 4y minus 12 is equal to 0 and passing through minus 2 comma 14. So concentric circles means they are having the same center C. They given one circle equation and which is passing through minus 2 comma 14, and we have to find the equation of another circle. First of all, write the given one. So this is the given circle. They have the same center, means if they have the same center, what will be change? Only the constant value in the circle will change. So let the required circle be x square plus y square minus 6x minus 4y plus k is equal to 0. Now they given that it is passing through minus 2 comma 14. Equation 1 is passing through minus 2 comma 14. So it also passes through this equation also. So substitute minus 2 comma 14 in equation number 2. Minus 2 square plus 14 square minus 2 minus 4 into 14 plus k is equal to 0. So from this 4 plus 196 plus 12 minus 56 plus k is equal to 0. From this 196 plus 4 200, 212 minus 56 plus k is equal to 0. So k is equal to 212 minus 56 is sending this at minus 156. So k value is this. So required circle is x square plus y square minus 6x minus 4y. So the constant only changes. We find the constant value is minus 156 equal to 0. And the sixth problem is find the equation of a circle whose center lies on the x-axis. So center lies in x-axis and passing through minus 2 comma 3 and 4 comma 5. These are the points on the circle. So let S be x square plus y square plus 2cx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Then what will be the center? Center C is equal to minus g comma minus f. But the given center is passing through x-axis. If it is passing through x-axis, then y will be 0. X-axis y will be 0. So if y is 0, then f is also 0. So minus f equal to 0. So f equal to 0. Now substitute f equal to 0 in 1. F equal to 0. Substitute f equal to 0 in s equal to 0. Then the equation will be x square plus y square plus 2zx. F is 0. So this term will disappear. So plus c is equal to 0. But they also given the circle is passing through. Let it be A and let it be B. A and B. Now substitute A and B in s equal to 0. Then we will get two equations. Now substitute these values on s equal to 0. Minus 2 square, 3 square plus 2z minus 2 plus c is equal to 0 because f is equal to 0. So that is equal to 4 plus 9 minus 4g plus c is equal to 0. Minus 4g plus c is equal to minus 13. Let it be equation number 1. Minus 4g plus c plus 13 equal to 0. Let it be equation number 1. And b also lies on s equal to 0. So 4 square plus 5 square plus 2z into 4 plus c is equal to 0. So that implies 8g plus c, 4 square is 16. 16 plus 25, 41. Plus 41 is equal to 0 be equation number 1. This is equation number 1. This is equation number 2. Now 2 minus 1. So that we will get the g value. That is 8g plus c plus 41 equal to 0 and 4g plus c plus 13 equal to 0. When we subtract the values, signs changes. So minus c plus c cancel. 12g plus 54 is equal to 0. So 12g is equal to minus 54. To get the z value, we have to subtract equation 2 minus equation 1. This is equation 2, this is equation 1. Plus, so signs changes when we subtract. So 12g, these 2 will cancel. So that is equal to plus 28 is equal to 0. 12g is equal to minus 28. Z is equal to minus 28 by 12, that is equal to minus 7 by 3. So g value is minus 7 by 3. From 1, minus 4g plus c plus 13 equal to 0. So substitute the g value. Minus 7 by 3 plus c plus 13 equal to 0. Implies minus 28 by 3 minus into minus plus c plus 13 equal to 0. So c is equal to minus 28 by 3 minus 13. Taking the 3 LCM, minus 28 minus 13 3 is 39. That is equal to minus 67 by 3. So g is equal to minus 7 by 3, f equal to 0, c equal to minus 7 by 3. So required circle is x square plus y square plus 2cx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Substitute the values. X square plus y square plus 2 into minus 7 by 3x plus 2 into f value is 0. Y plus c value is minus 67 by 3 is equal to 0. That is equal to x square plus y square plus 2 into minus 7 by 3x plus 0. So minus 67 by 3. Now divide with 3. Multiply with 3. Multiply with 3. So when we multiply 3x square, 3y square. So when we multiply 3 cancel. So 2 7s are minus 14x. Here also when we multiply 3 cancel. Minus 67 equal to 0. Taking 3 common, x square plus y square minus 14x minus 67 equal to 0 is the required circle equation. 7th one. If ABCD is a square, then show that the points A, B, C and D are concyclic. We already know that if any 3 points are non-collinear, then they are concyclic. So for that, consider a square of 4 vertices. These are the 4 vertices. To make it simple, I am taking the zeros also. The general form of circle is x square plus y square plus 2cx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. So to prove any 3 points non-collinear, I am taking these 3 points. Now put a 0, 0 in s equal to 0. Then the equation will be c equal to 0. Because x is 0, y is 0. So this 4 will disappear. So c equal to 0. Now put b equal to a, 0 in s equal to 0. A square plus 0 plus 2ga plus 2f0 plus c equal to 0. That is a square plus 2ag. This is also 0. plus c equal to 0. But the c value is 0. So a square plus 2ag plus 0 equal to 0. Taking a common, a plus 2c equal to 0. From this 2z is equal to, if a goes this side, that will become 0. Then 2z is equal to minus a. From this z is equal to minus a by 2. In the third point, put d 0 comma a in s equal to 0. That implies 0 comma a square plus 2z into 0 plus 2 into f into 0 plus 0 equal to 0. So a square plus 2, here it is a, it will become 0. So 2af plus 0 equal to 0 because c is also 0. So taking a common, a plus 2f is equal to 0. A plus 2f equal to 0. So 2f is equal to minus a, f equal to minus a by 2. So write the g and f values aside. So g is equal to minus a by 2, f is equal to minus a by 2, c equal to 0. A required circle. Or the required equation. Here we don't have circle, so required equation is x square plus y square plus 2, g value is minus a by 2x plus f value 2 into minus a by 2y plus c equal to 0. C value is 0. So x square plus y square, 2 cancel, minus ax, 2 cancel, minus ay is equal to 0 is the required equation. Now we have to substitute c a comma a in s equal to 0. If we substitute a comma a in s equal to 0, if we get the answer 0, then the 4 points are concyclic. So substitute this in equation number 1. So a square plus a square minus a into a minus a into a is equal to 0. That is 2a square minus 2a square is equal to 0. So that is equal to 0. So that means the given points are concyclic.